What's up, guys? How is everybody doing? Beautiful Friday here in the Philippines, in Angeles City, Philippines. People ask me, hey, what kind of setup do you use when you motovlog? So I'm going to show you the setup. And today's first day I'm going to try this type of setup. But people ask me, so I'm like, you know what? Let me show you. Let me show you how I have everything set up on Mad Max when I motovlog. Let me turn this around quick. Oh, wrong button. Yep, there we go. There's old Mad Max, right? And multiple mounts all over the bike here. Here's one down here on the fender. I can mount a GoPro down there. It clips in. There's a clip that clips in, and you screw the GoPro down there, so you get kind of like a road view. Then I have this mount right here. This here. This is my phone. That's mounted on there. This is the Action 2, the DJI Action 2. Right there is my Rode transmitter, wireless transmitter. It's a Rode Wireless Go 2. It's my transmitter that transmits wirelessly to my mics I have. You can see how it's set up here. Mount it here. Tighten with these screws so it don't go anywhere. Here's my phone. I turn my phone on and wirelessly transmit to my GoPro 10 on my helmet. That way I can see if it moves or not. I'm talking about my camera. So there's my GoPro 10. Here are my Rode Wireless 2 microphones. Like I said, it transmits from where I have it mounted up there on the DJI 2. Run this up underneath my shirt. Clip it to my shirt underneath. And that's my microphone. Like I said, there's my GoPro 10 mounted on my helmet. Then I have the rear mount here. The rear mount here, this is my GoPro 8. I don't use it much because it does have a battery problem. For some reason, it sucks up the battery, so I kind of break it out occasionally. But there's my setup, guys. 3 of them. 3 setup. A lot of times, I just use my helmet camera, or I've been using this one here, the DJI Action 2. It's a great little setup. The problem with the GoPro 10, in order to use that with the transmitter, I need to put on the media mod of the GoPro 10. And the GoPro 10 media mod is a piece of trash. A piece of trash, guys. It overheats all the time, so I don't use the media mod on that. So anyways, there's my setup for when I'm out vlogging. Like I said, I'm trying this now with 3 cameras. So we're going to go out. We're going to start down by, let me see, Koreatown. We'll start at Koreatown. You're going to get a front view, helmet view, and a view at me. All in this video. We're going to go from Koreatown down Perimeter Road, down Fields Avenue, and down Walking Street. And we're going to end it right there. So there it is, guys. Enjoy the video. All right, here we go. Here we go. Right down Friendship Highway, Koreatown. I always like coming down through here at night. Everything's all lit up and looks really nice. Lots of restaurants down through here. 7-Elevens, grocery stores, banks. Just a variety of places that you can shop, eat. Hotels down through here. I remember somebody left a comment. They said years ago none of this even existed. I believe it. I believe it all. There's a big building right there. Building for rent. That's nice looking. Up here on the left is a Burger King. It used to be a massage parlor, but Burger King took it over. Here's your Jollibee on the right. Now, if we make a left here, which we're not doing, we're making a right, that will take you out to the back gate. The back gate going on to Clark. These little shops here on the left selling fruits, vegetables, a little bit of food. That's pretty neat. Mr. Wang, Chinese restaurant back there. Been years since I ate in there. And you got your BPI bank here. This is always a mess. Look at them guys pulling out. Just give you an idea what's down through here, what it looks like. I've walked here many a times, vlogged through here many a times. Yes, there's plenty of room. Niji, Niji, I don't know how you pronounce it, another great Japanese restaurant with a massive menu. I remember going in there and the menu was just big. It was a big menu. R&B Club there on the right. Don't know if they're open. Lut and I went in there years ago, had a great time in there. It's one of those places that it doesn't start happening until about 1 o'clock in the morning. And they go, and they did it at a time, they went to about 5, 6 a.m. RST and Turkey Thanksgiving Buffet Special. All for reservations. Wonder what their turkey Thanksgiving feast is, their buffet. Here on the right is the Clarkton. Clarkton did an amazing Thanksgiving buffet, but they knew it was amazing, and it seemed like every year they were raising their prices. There's those bars, still all gutted out, still empty. Time will tell what's going to happen there. Just past the side gate. That's cool, that horse, that cowboy. Yeah, Clarkton had an amazing buffet. Like I said, the prices kept going up and kept going up, and well, I'm not a big buffet guy. I can't eat that much. Thanksgiving is coming up. Oh, gotta keep my eye open. Guys, look to the left there. There's where that building starts. That big building. That looks like a parking lot up there. I hope my camera picks it up. But that starts way down here near Barretto's. Barretto's is here on the right. Deli and meat shop. They have a restaurant in there. They sell deli meat, you know, your lunch meat and everything. But there's a parking garage. Then it ends. What that parking garage is for, it appears to be a parking garage. What it's for, I don't know. Now you're coming up on the Perimeter Bar Road, or the Perimeter Bars here. This always gets funny here. You got people coming out of this side road here. That road will take you into Hensonville. Here's how the other building starts, right here, like right across the Petron. See the guys up there? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's guys up there on ropes. It goes all the way down through here. Lewis Grand. Somebody told me that's for sale. Kid, Can't confirm it, but I was told that's for sale. Lewis Grant. Hotel America. Still empty. You guys see it? It keeps on going all the way down through here. Kind of ends right here. Al Bacchio's kind of ends right at the Al Baccio. ABC on the right hand side. Hercules coming up. Eurotel coming up. Friendship Jeepney Terminal on the left. Yeah, as I did look, 57 pesos on the US dollar. Straight 57. Guys, the other day there were people on Walking Street, surveyors, who were doing a survey, and I did ask them, is this for the Red Street? And they told me yes. Beyond that, they didn't know what was going on. But however, they were doing a survey for the Red Street that is coming in. The Walking Street. Beyond that, I couldn't get any other answers out of them because they didn't know. So those people that were saying, hey, they ain't going to change it to the Red Street. They ain't going to shut it down. Well, we don't know if they're going to shut down the bars. We don't know. However, surveyors were out there. So the project is a go. Gonna shoot down here on Walking Street. Down in Walking Street, or the soon-to-be Red Street. There are the two most famous vloggers, Chubbs, Dubs, and Follow in the Philippines.
What's happening?
What's up? Got a roll.
Adrian, see the video I put out this morning?
No. Oh, Adrian, most famous vendor on Walking Street.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, I'm rolling, guys.
Nice.
I'm doing a three camera setup, and I'm rolling, baby. Yeah, baby. All right.
Like it. See you, Philly. All right.
Chubbs Dub C. Check out his channel. Follow in the Philippines. Check out his camera. Looks like the perch on Kokomo's is full. It's a Friday, so more people are coming in for the weekend. Lots of beautiful girls out this morning. Shall we spin around and go back up the street one more time for your viewing pleasures? Well, sure, why not? Ugh. Oh, the bumps. They get you. They will get you. Let me, or I could turn around here. I could turn around anywhere. Looks like that truck has it backed up. All for your viewing pleasure. Hope it don't rain. Well, my cameras are waterproof, so I'm good to go. Construction. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do when they come for you? All right, guys, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, trying out something new, and we'll talk to you later.